May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Saloni. I am from Naya Akola. Currently, I am pursuing BCom and I am passionate about customer service. I like helping people, assisting my friends, organizing gathering. It has taught me empathy and care. I love creating a warm and memorable experience for others. And I want to join aviation industry.
Okay, my question is that tell me about your yesterday routine.
My yesterday routine, I wake up at 6 o'clock. After that, I clean my bed and then I go for a walk. And then I came home and make a breakfast and read some book. And then I ready for a class. And I came a class around uh, 10 o'clock and then I joined and I returned home around 12:30 and after that I took a lunch and then I'm preparing for an interview, so I practiced some interview question answer and then that's it. And I love also I love traveling, explore new place, so that's why I choose this career.
That's great.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I am from Naya Akola.
Okay. Where is it?
It is uh, uh, in Chandru Bazar Road, Amravati. Yeah.
Okay, as you told us that you want to help peoples, then why only you choose aviation? You can help any other field. Then why only aviation?
Aviation is my actually cabin crew job is my dream job, so that's why I want to join.
Do you have any kind of certifications in it?
No, I didn't have any.
What is mean by aviation?
Aviation means to me, it's a providing good service to the passenger and it's a traveling.
What if you will become a cabin crew?
Sorry.
What if you will become a cabin crew? What will we do after becoming a cabin crew?
After becoming a cabin crew, I will help to passenger and taking care of their journey and try to make their journey comfortable and providing their excellent customer service.
Who inspires you to choose this career?
It's myself. It's my dream job.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's take an example. Uh, if you are in a board and you met some peoples, we can say that you know the Chapri people.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
So you will also see airport is a place where everyone belongs to and everyone came here. Okay.
Yeah.
If you met this kind of people, then what will you do? If they didn't listen you and they try to hurry
How
to
you will
get
deal
their
with them?
yes.
How you will
Yes.
deal with them?
Firstly, I will talk to them politely and whatever they want to say me, I will listen to them carefully. And if they are talking to me rudely and misbehave, so I will call my senior cabin crew member.
If they are not available, then what will you do?
In
How you will handle the situation?
Okay, so I will try to listen them carefully and try to understand the situation. But if they are misbehaving with me, so in the airport there have airport securities guard, so I will talk to them.
In which airlines do you want to work?
I want to work in Indigo. Yeah.
But according to me, for that you need some certifications. That means 2 month diploma course. Because without these courses, you can't control an aviation.
No, it's not required.
But as per my knowledge, I heard that there is a need of for basic services because if you join directly in any sector, if you have no idea in this case, then what will you do in this sector? So that you need to diploma to prepare. So according to me, I think you have time. I think right.
Yes.
So I think you should have to complete this 2 month basic course so that it will boost your chances in aviation.
Okay, for the international, they will require hospitality certificate like a nurse job. This
No. It's another type of job. I'm just telling you to do that. You say me that you want to do aviation job, right? Cabin crew, ground staff, many
yeah.
more things. Depends on your choice. So I think for this you need to do aviation course. Just it provides online or offline both, but you
You
should
will get
have to,
certified.
yes,
After certification, you can go and
easily you can join that.
But in my knowledge, that company did not required any certification because I gave my last interview. So there is a they not say
Also,
that not required.
you can also boost it. It's your choice. I just
Yeah.
give your opinion.
Yes.
Tell me about your hobbies.
My hobbies, I like book reading and cooking.
Okay, as per you told us that you like reading. Which
Yes.
kind of book you prefer to read?
I like self-help book like Atomic Habit.
Acha. Then what is in it? Atomic habit.
Atomic Habit is a very good book that the author is said how to improve our good habit and how to reduce a bad habit, and it will help me to
How it
make
help
my.
you?
It helped me to make my day productive with using good habit, and it also helped me to reduce my bad habit.
how long you will work with a domestic airline?
I will work 3 to 4 years. After that, I will join international airline.
Is it possible to join an international airlines?
Yeah, of course, because I have experience of demos. Sorry, domestic airline, so I can apply for international at that time.
Anything else you want to ask us?
Sorry.
Anything else that you want to ask us? You can ask us.
Okay. So you
If you
can
any have queries, you can ask us.
introduce yourself.
Okay. Yes, myself Gauri Deshmukh, and I recently completed my BTech in electrical engineering, and I'm currently pursuing a master's in electrical and power.
Okay. So after completing your masters, so what's your plan?
My plan, actually, I am a novelist. I like to read book. After completing masters, I plan for abroad for my job.
That's nice.
Thank you.
You like to write novels.
Yeah, novels.
So recently, which novel do you got?
Actually, there are four books I have already written. Currently, my specified book is romanticized, and it's depend on the our Gen Z people.
Okay, that's nice. What's the name of this novel?
As you learn to stay,
And what is the story of?
it's a secret.
Once book get published, then you will
Read.
Okay.
read. Okay, thank you. Your interview.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You can leave now.